mistake number 7 is not understanding that your trailer is a commercial environment. It's a workhorse, okay? We go through and build the trailers, but over time, little things scuff. You need to do maintenance on silicon. You need to keep it clean. You need to keep your filters clean. There's a whole heap of things you need to do to make it an efficient working commercial environment. It's literally a money-making machine on wheels. You know, for 40, 50 grand, whatever it is, compared to something else, you know, you can buy a caravan, that's not making any money, it's going to cost you money, okay? It's going to go down in value. This produces an income for you, so you've got to treat it like a commercial kitchen. Doesn't matter where you came from. Chefs definitely know this, that you have to keep things clean, you have to maintain stuff, make sure that things are removed. We treat these commercial environments and make them as easy as possible to clean and as easy as possible to move when transporting. So anyway, hopefully that helps you understand. Common mistake number 7, understanding that your trailer is commercial, money-making environment, and you have to treat it as such.